So you just built a beautiful, excellent PC, and you're ready to go. You're ready to get to gaming. But what do you do next? Well, let's see if I can help you with that. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe. Today I got a two-part tutorial video for you guys. Now in the first part, for you guys that have been lucky enough to get a hold of all of the PC parts to build a PC and finally get that PC up and going, congratulations, so very happy for you. But for those of you that don't know what to do after you've actually got the PC built, well guys, simply put, you need an operating system. But maybe you don't know how to actually put Windows on that new computer that you built today. So for the first part of this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you actually do that pretty quickly. And then for the second part of the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of, well, something that you're going to inevitably want to get rid of after you get Windows installed into your computer. Two things that you're going to need before you're going to be able to get Windows onto your new fancy computer that you just built is a separate computer or a laptop of some sort and a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage on it. So once you have those, power on that PC, plug in that USB, and get it all booted up. So once you're ready to go and get onto your Internet Explorer or browser, whatever browser you use, doesn't matter. No one uses Internet Explorer, but if you do, it's fine, whatever. Go to it, and then you're going to go to Media Creation Tool. You can just Google that. So Google that, and it should come up, download Windows 10 image. So it should bring you to a page that looks like this. So once you're there, all you got to do is say download tool now. So you'll click that, and then it'll begin to download that tool. Now this part can take a little bit of time, so just let it do its thing. When it comes up to this screen right here, you're going to tell it to create installation media. So you click next on that, and then you'll tell it to go to the USB flash drive. So it'll do that, it'll find the flash drive that you've inserted, you'll tell it next, and then it'll begin to download Windows 10. Once it's all done, you should be able to come to a screen that looks like this. Tell it to eject wherever you have that flash drive at, so you can safely remove it. And well, pull it out of the PC. Now this is the part that people get a little bit intimidated by, and I get it, but not to worry, I got you. I'm gonna explain this in the best possible way. Now, all you gotta do is make sure that PC is turned off that you just built, plug in that new USB that you just created a media creation tool into it, into the new PC, fire it up, and well, it should have a screen that looks like this. Now, you're going to want to hit whatever key it tells you to hit, either it be delete or F10 or F2, whatever your key is. Every motherboard has a specific key that it hits, but usually delete works. So if yours works for delete, hit delete. It should bring you to a screen that looks like this. Now, depending on your manufacturer, your motherboard could look a little bit different from mine, but what you're going to be looking for is something that says boot. So you're going to be looking for some tab here. Mine's got main, AI tweaker, advanced mode, monitor, boot. So that's what, if you have an Asus, they usually look very similar, but you're going to be looking for boot, and you're going to be looking for boot option priorities or boot configuration. It could be listed a little bit different in yours, but this is where you're going to be looking for, because you're going to want to tell your computer to boot from that USB drive that you just inserted into it. Now, once you have that saved as your number one spot, you're going to want to go ahead and save and exit. And usually you can just go to the exit tab and you can just save changes and exit from there. From here, you should see your computer restart and try to boot from that USB that you just plugged into it. Once that happens, it will show this little Windows logo and you'll tell it to install. Once you do that, make sure that you select the right Windows that you're wanting to put on there, whether you want to do Windows Home or Windows Pro. And from here, you'll want to select the drive that you're wanting to use. Once you do, it'll begin to start the installation, and well, voila. Now this is the second part of the tutorial for the video where you guys may not be done installing Windows on your computer yet. So you guys know, when you do use this method of installing Windows onto your computer, you are not going to have what is known as a activated Windows. Now, at first it may not show up, but rest assured, it is going to show up and say activate Windows now and have a watermark that will not go away. And guys, it might bug you a little bit. It doesn't go away. When you're playing games, watching movies, it's not going away. It's there. No matter what game you're playing, it's there, right on top. Now you guys could try to solve this yourself, and you could go to your activation settings and find where it gives you a link to go to the Microsoft Store, and click that, and go to the Microsoft Store and you pay $100 to $200 for a Microsoft product key if you wanted. You could do that. You could. But I've got a much better way for you. I really do. In fact, you might be paying under 20 bucks for one of the keys I got for you. I mean, check it out. Here we go. It's this simple, guys. Go to your web browser here. Go to yourcdkeys.com. Should be greeted with the site that looks sort of like this here whenever it decides to pull up. There it is. And well, all you got to do is search up Windows 10. Windows 10. And here we are, guys. Windows 10 key, 20 bucks. But I can do you better. I can, I promise you. So here we go. I'm just going to tell it to buy now. It's probably going to make me sign up. So let me do that real fast. Okay, we're signed up. Now let's go ahead and buy a product key. And like I said, guys, I can do you better. So they want $20.05 for this. Well, guys, just use my little code. I got you. Use my little code, TEK, TECH. Apply that, get 20% off. Look at that. We just went from 20 bucks to $16. Submit order. Guys, I recommend personally using PayPal for checkout. Secure, safe. Something goes wrong, guys, they got your back. So use PayPal. Once you finish with your order, it should bring you to a screen like this automatically. And well, then it'll begin to process your payment. Just give it a few moments, guys, and it even refresh the page. And then it should show it is ready to go. Mine's ready to go. Yours should be ready to go pretty quick. Then you'll just view the code, get the key, copy your key, go to your activation settings, change product key. Boom. It took it. Click activate. Look at that. Windows is activated. So I hope I was able to help you today. I hope that this was quick enough for some of you speedsters out there. And well, guys, take advantage of it. Use my code. Hit them up. They got other stuff too. Not just Windows keys. There's some games there too. You can get some good deals. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I was helpful. If you got some sort of useful information on this, please hit that like, hit that subscribe. We do our best to help out here. That's what we try to do. I promise. That's going to do it for the video. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe. Specifically, we'll see you.